Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get TradingView on Deriv. The key is understanding that Deriv does not offer a direct, built-in integration with TradingView. Instead, you'll need to leverage a specific third-party platform that acts as a bridge between the two. This approach enables you to utilize TradingView's advanced charting tools for analysis while still executing your trades seamlessly on your Deriv account. It's a straightforward process once you know the correct steps. To begin, you'll need to create an account on a specific third-party platform designed to bridge these services. Once your account is set up, the next crucial step involves securely linking your existing Deriv account to this new platform. This connection is essential for trade execution. After successful linking, you can then access and utilize the full suite of TradingView charts and analytical tools directly within the interface of your chosen bridge platform. It's a streamlined way to combine powerful analysis with efficient trading. By using this method, you can significantly enhance your trading strategy. Leverage TradingView's extensive range of technical indicators and drawing tools to gain deeper insights into market movements. Then, confidently execute your trades on your Deriv account, directly informed by your detailed chart analysis. Remember, it's always wise to practice and refine your approach using a demo account first. This ensures you are comfortable and proficient before committing real capital to live trading scenarios. For optimal performance, always ensure you have a stable and reliable internet connection, especially when executing trades. Regularly check for updates from your chosen bridge platform, as new features or improvements can further enhance your trading experience. And hey, while you're optimizing your trading, why not optimize your ride too? Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab some Little Tree's black ice. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.